Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you are all good at home. Okay, let's start our subject in English. Last video we saw the first lesson, the trick robot. Before going to the lesson, first we learn what is robot. Okay, what is robot? Do you have an idea? Okay, I will say now. Okay children, have you seen Endiran movie? Many of them saw, I think so. See, robot is a machine which acts like man. Okay, in that robot, in that movie, what Endiran movie, Rajini made a robot. It looked like Rajini. It worked like human, like cooking, driving, that all the works, right? And then that robot also have hands, legs, head, like human parts. Okay children, foreign countries people using the robots. The robots work very fast. Okay, robot, what is the food of robot? Do you know? Fruits, vegetables, like that? No, its food is what? Electric power. Like how do we use phone? Okay, we make it charge, no, like that. That is also one device. Okay children, let's start our lesson. Once again we recall yesterday thing. See, Vicky was a lazy boy. What does mean by lazy? He didn't do any work. Okay, he never did his homework on time. He didn't do his homework. He never kept his things back in the right place. For example, if he take notes in this cupboard, he didn't keep in the same place. He keep some other places. Okay, so he pleaded to his father to buy him a robot to do his work. That's why he pleaded. Pleaded means requested to buy a new robot to do his work. Now, Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy. Vicky's father thought his son want to change into a active boy. So, he bought him a trick robot. What's mean by trick? Something special, tricky robot. Okay. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot, but Vicky don't know that robot is trick robot. So he was glad. Glad means very happy to have a robot to do all his work. Vicky thought hereafter that robot do all his work like that. But what will happen? We will see now. See, first one. Vicky, I have bought you a robot. This dialogue. Who said this dialogue? Vicky's father. See, Vicky, I have bought you a robot. This intelligent robot will do all your work. Okay, so hereafter you enjoy, like that. Vicky's father said. What is mean by intelligent? Very talent. Okay, children. Vicky's father bought a robot and give to Vicky and said this robot is very talent. Hereafter you enjoy because you do all your works, like that. Now Vicky is excited. Okay, what does mean by excited? What does mean by excited? Excited means very happy. Okay, your father also get and give any things. You also want to check, no, test. That like Vicky is excited to test his new robot. See, okay, now Vicky is lying on the sofa. Now see, I am hungry. Cook some salad for me. Now that Vicky is hungry. What we do in hungry time? We eat something, no? The same way he also asked, I am hungry. Cook some salad for me. What is mean by salad? Salad is fruits or vegetables. Sliced. Sliced means what? Cut it into small piece and mix and eat. He didn't cook. Direct eaten raw. That means fruits like apple, banana, pineapple, grapes, like that fruits taken, cut it and mix it well and then eat. We didn't cook. That's really very healthy food. Okay children, now what this robot reply we will see now. I do not eat salad. Is robot eat a salad? So that robot said, I do not eat salad. So I cannot make the salad. What is the food of the robot? Only electric power, like a phone. Okay, how we are charging our phone, no? Like the same way we charging the robot. So it said, I do not eat salad, so I cannot make this salad. Now next what will happen, we will see now. See, what you are a robot. Vicky said, what? You are a robot. So what he thought, robots are order. See, accept all his orders. No, like that Vicky thought. So that's why he asked, what? You are a robot. You cannot refuse me. What does mean by refuse? Not accept. You are a robot. Whatever I say, you want to, you have to do. Like that he said. Clean my room now. First order, what Vicky said? Cook salad. Second order, clean my room now. Clean my room. Okay. Now see what this robot replied. Do you want me to strain my back? Oh, you want to get more work from me, eh? Strain means force. Give tension like that. Okay. Do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that. I cannot do that. You have to do your work like that. That robot replied. Now see, Vicky got angry. See, really? I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone. Why you didn't do any work? At least charge my phone. Like that Vicky said. Now what that robot replies, see, why don't you do that yourself? You have to do yourself. Like that robot replied, I must make some calls. I have to do some calls. Like that robot said. Okay children, today this one enough. Today homework we will see. What is today homework? We want to see some meanings. Okay, see, first meanings. Okay, plead. What is mean by plead? Request. Plead means request. Plead, request. Okay, request means what? We also, if we want anything, we go and ask to our father, like, please father, get and give new cycle. Like that we ask. No, that is request. Okay, plead, request. Next one, refuse. What is mean by refuse? Disagree or reject. Disagree or reject. I mean, what is that? Not accept. That is called refuse. Okay, refuse means disagree or reject. Next one, pleasant. Pleasant means very happy. Happy. Okay, pleasant means happy. Okay, children, understand this meaning? Plead, request, refuse, disagree or reject, pleasant, happy. Okay, now see this. Answer the question. What kind of a boy was Vicky? Once again, what kind of a boy was Vicky? What kind of boy was Vicky? Vicky was a lazy boy. Very important. Vicky was a lazy boy and never did his homework on time. He didn't do his work. Okay, Vicky was a lazy boy and never did his homework on time. Okay children, understand? This is today homework. You want to write this question and then meanings also. You want to write question and answer, and meanings also question and answer. Write date and day, everything properly. Okay children, thank you very much.